Hello, good morning. I'm Police Captain Mark John Dialdi Analiso, the Chief of Pasay City Police Station Community Affairs Section. I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to our Korean friends from Go With Jesus, Ma'am Deborah, Ma'am Eugene, Ma'am Queen, Ma'am Sophia, Queen Esther, and Ma'am Venus also. Thank you for visiting Pasay City Police Station and all the support with your outreach community. We are very glad to welcome you here, and also I would like to the Pasay City Police Station with our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Samuel Abunita would like to extend his warm gratitude and wonderful thanks to the effort that you exerted to us. Again, thank you and mabuhay.